But if you do not want to use Canva, now this one is a lifesaver. When I mean a lifesaver, I said I was going to use. Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today just on YouTube. In today's video, I'm going to go straight to the point. It's a direct video. I'm going to be giving you guys 5 apps you need as a beginner on YouTube. 5 apps that I use that have been helping me, and a lot of other people use it, of course. Number one, you have, after you've most downloaded YouTube, of course, you're already on YouTube, you're ready, you're creating, you want to create content, you should download your YouTube Studio. That is very important because it's going to help you monitor your channel. In YouTube Studio, from there you can download your thumbnail. Yes, even if in iPhones you can download your thumbnail while you are downloading, but if you don't want to do that, you can go through your YouTube Studio. You can see how your progress. It's just very important. Basically, you can see how your progress is. And the second one, you have your YouTube body. You're going to need YouTube body because it's going to help you track your progress. It's very important. It's going to help you spot those little milestones, those things I think they're even blocking. YouTube body is going to spot them as, oh, congratulations, you've passed this milestone. And also it's going to help you know the videos that are being searched online, you know, and it's going to also tell you if your title is good or not. It is very important. And one of my favorite things about YouTube body is that it spots those little milestones that I think they are nothing. Maybe you get your first 1,000 views or your first 1,000 subscribers or whatever. It just keeps telling you, and that is serious encouragement. For a beginner, you need that. It's going to boost you that, oh, okay, I'm actually doing something. At number 3, we have CapCut. CapCut is so important, very important. This is what I use in editing my videos. CapCut has made everything so easy. You make mistakes, you can easily go backwards. If it's just CapCut is just so easy to play with. Honestly, you don't even need any kind of professional training to do basic CapCut. You don't need professional training, so you need CapCut. In CapCut, you can still put your stickers. You can do your voiceover. You don't need an extra app for editing if you have CapCut. But if you need an extra app, you also have InShot. InShot is also very, very good. Just like CapCut, it is very easy to navigate. So what I have listed, I said you need, apart from your YouTube app that you need, of course, you need YouTube Studio, you need YouTube body, you need CapCut, you need InShot. Then the last one, you need Canva. Canva is where you go to create your thumbnails. Canva is very easy. It is free if you want it to be free. I mean, with the free one, you can achieve basically a lot of amazing things. You don't have to pay money to be able to create beautiful designs. But if you do not want to use Canva, now this one is a lifesaver. When I mean a lifesaver, I said I was going to list 5, but I realized there's one again, and this particular one is a lifesaver, guys. ChatGPT. You cannot overemphasize. ChatGPT is a lifesaver. With ChatGPT, you can able to generate your description. It can help you narrow down a good YouTube title. You can create your thumbnail within seconds, and I mean beautiful professional thumbnails. ChatGPT is just AI is a miracle. I know AI has downsides, but when it comes to creating thumbnails, AI is a game changer. This is something I just realized recently, and I just have to share it with you. Do not want to skip on ChatGPT. But if you are very creative and you want to explore your creativity, then you can totally explore Canva. But if you are lazy, just like me, and you're like, okay, whenever you go to Canva to create, nothing comes up in your head, you just end up creating something very basic and not very captivating, then you should totally use your ChatGPT. Just write a voice note, send a voice note chat, just tell them what you want and see them create one that's for you. So this is pretty much the end of today's video. There's not too much. I just wanted to just let you guys know the few apps you need as a beginner on YouTube. So peace and love.